Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be shopping at Home Goods. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie and I love filming home decor videos, lifestyle, shop with me's. So if you enjoy this kind of videos, be sure to like and subscribe. And also, don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you're notified the next time I upload a new video. I hope you guys enjoy.
Green under the sun, we do our best to hide innocence fading away as we learn the truth, and we'll be anything that we wanna be. Gonna get what's coming anyway, so take me away some other place. Don't wanna wait. Oh, my Indian summer, take me away. Cross the borderline into our dream. Nothing will ever be as real as this. The flames won't burn our skin. We're thick as thieves, and we know what we do. We live on like an echo. Oh, so take me away some other place. Don't wanna wait. Oh, my Indian summer, take me away.
I know we've been through a lot, holding hands while screaming at each other. And I don't know how to start, but I still love you like I do. It breaks my heart, no text, no calls from you. Without you could shape this up, but you're not that tough with me. So run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. Run away with me, I made you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this time around. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. I'll
Wow, so much raw dawn. I hope I'm saying it right. It's on sale. Let me see. It is $10. Let's see. Is it? This is 15. Pretty. It is only $14.99 and it's humongous. Look at that. Super cute. Oh, this is so cute. ¿Cuánto cuesta? Oh, $10. Wow. Look how cute these pillows are. The price for them is $16.99. And here we are looking for pillows today. So hopefully I can find them. I need 3 of them for my comforter. When you're not looking for something, you always stumble upon it. So this is a mirror that I wanted it initially for my living room, but we are looking into maybe moving, so I think I will get this for my makeup room, but not today though. But it's something that I really like. Let me do a close-up so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I want to say this is probably 400 or 5. Ooh, this smells so good. Mm-hmm.
Ay, huele riquísimo. Sí. Huele riquísimo, como si lo pudiera comer. ¿Qué dices esta? ¿Esa huele?
And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know in the comments down below if there is any items that you'll be looking for at your local Home Goods. Also, I will be filming a Decorate With Me bedroom decor soon, so stay tuned for that. I will see you guys on my next one. Bye!